Hey, I'm so glad you clicked on this video so that we could solve 97 divided by 2 together. So the first thing that I'm going to do to solve this is write out my helpful hint, which is dad divides, mom multiplies, sister subtracts, and brother brings down. That will help me remember the order of how I should solve this problem. So I'm only going to focus on one number at a time right now, and the first number I'm going to look at is 9. Can I divide 9 by 2? Well, the answer is yes, and I know that I can divide 9 by 2 because 2 is smaller than 9. So to figure out how many times 2 goes into 9, I'm going to skip count. And I'm going to skip count by 2 until I get just above 9. So follow along with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now that I got just above 9, I'm going to go ahead and stop. And now I need to figure out which number gets me as close to 9 as possible without going over. That would be the number 8 here. And then I'm going to count how many times I skip counted by 2 to get to 8. So that would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means that 8 is the fourth multiple of 2. So I'm going to go ahead and take this 4 and place it right above the 9, so I can divide 9 by 2. So I already did the dad divides, now I need to do mom multiplies. So I need to multiply 2 times 4, which we already figured out at the bottom, is 8. So I'm going to go ahead and write it below the 9. And now I need to do sister subtracts. 9 minus 8 is 1. Can I divide 1 by 2? No, I can't divide 1 by 2 because 2 is bigger than 1. So that means that it is time for brother brings down. I'm going to go ahead and bring down that 7. And now I need to divide 17 by 2. So I'm going to continue to skip count by 2 until I get just above 17. So 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. I can go ahead and stop here because I went just above 17. Now I need to figure out which number gets me as close to 17 as possible without going over. That would be 16. So I'm going to count how many times I skip counted by 2 to get to 16. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means that 16 is the eighth multiple of 2. I'm going to go ahead and take this 8 right here and put it right above the 7. And now I need to multiply 2 times 8. Well, we already figured that out. The answer is 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. Place that number below the 17. And it is time for sister subtracts. 17 minus 16 is 1. And we already determined earlier that I can't divide 1 by 2. So that means that we have a remainder. So my remainder is 1. My answer is 48, remainder 1. So now that we solved this problem together, I need you to go over to this box over here and circle the I watched this video to help me solve this problem. Yes, we did. And then go ahead and circle the answer to this question. This video was helpful. Yes or no. Thanks for tuning in and